Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Balatro Multiplayer. Want to play Balatro with friends? Here is how you can set up a multiplayer experience using NordVPN. Our discount link is in the description. And don't forget, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a special discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Balatro is mainly single player, but with the right setup, you can make it multiplayer. Using NordVPN, you can connect with friends in other regions securely and with low lag. Step 1. Download and open the NordVPN app. Step 2. Log in with your account. Step 3. Tap Quick Connect or select the country where your friend is playing. Step 4. Use Steam Remote Play together or Parsec Discord screen share to invite friends into your session. Step 5. Start a Balatro run and enjoy multiplayer fun by playing cooperatively or competing on scores. If the connection feels slow, switch to another NordVPN server near you or your friend. You can also sync challenge, start new runs at the same time, and see who lasts the longest with NordVPN. You stay connected smoothly across devices. Get NordVPN using our link in the description. Since we're partners, you'll get an exclusive discount when you sign up. That link will always be there for you. Play Balatro with friends today. Stay connected with NordVPN. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.